All right, we're at Lava Hot Springs Olympic Park in Lava Hot Springs, Idaho. This park's pretty cool for where it's at. It's in the middle of nowhere. Stick with us, we'll take you around. Take a look at this. We got a pool. We got a couple 1 meter, 3 meters, springboards. We got a 5, 7, and 9 meter platform. We got a couple water slides over here. The height limit's 42 inches. It's good for the little kids. Over here we got a couple slides. Check this out. Yeah, this height limit is 48 inches for this. Inside. Yeah, the rock wall. You want to go do the rock wall?
Here we go. We're going. Okay. Go again. Ah! Here we go. Here we go.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yep. How was it?
I got stuck again.
You got stuck again? That dang shirt, man.